Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fidelity automatic contributions for long-term workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Fidelity automatic contributions, first, log in to your Fidelity account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section. In the drop-down menu, select Contributions. Next, find the option for Automatic Contributions. Click, select the desired investment account. Now, enter the specific contribution amount. Decide the frequency of your contributions, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Review the start date for your automatic contributions. Confirm that the frequency aligns with your financial goals. After this, click on Next to proceed. Verify your personal information to ensure accuracy. Review all selected details regarding your contributions. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Once everything looks correct, click on Submit to activate your automatic contributions. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your automatic contributions have been set up successfully. Keep this confirmation for your records. To manage your contributions in the future, return to the Accounts and Trades section. Select Automatic Contributions to make changes as needed. This setup will help enhance your long-term investing strategy. Regular contributions can compound over time, benefiting your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.